Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to design this chair in CATIA V5. It's a very simple model, just a bunch of sketches and some extrude and some corner options going on. That's it. So let's see how we can design this in CATIA V5. Alright, so start with the shape and go to shape design, call it chair. Okay. Now the first sketch that we will do is in the YZ plane. Let's go for sketching and take your profile, and you can pretty much start from the origin itself. So let's go from here like this, like this. That's it. Now we will may do the constraint. So let's give it some dimension. This one as well. Now from this point to this, and from here to here. Also we can give a vertical dimension to this one. Alright, so then we will select edit multi-constraint, and then we will quickly edit the values. 317.5, this could be 622.3, this could be 901, sorry, 901.7, and this is 381, and this one is 609.6. Press OK, and then you have to zoom to fit to see your sketch. Right, so I think that's pretty neat, but we have to do few corners. So one over here, one over here, and one over here. So let's select corner from here to here. Let's go for 76.2. Okay, yes, I want to trim it. Repeat the process 2 more times. So 76.2 mm. Yes, I want to trim it. And the last one over here, 76.2. Alright, that looks neat. Now you can do the sketch analysis. If you come to tools, and it says open endpoints, no issues, all checks passed. If you see this one, all check passed, that means your sketch is okay. So from here we will exit the workbench. So for that, can delete. Okay, we can pretty much remove all these options because we don't want it. Keep it back here, keep it back here, and here we have our exit workbench. Alright, so after that we'll do a line in X direction. So let's select the line profile. We can go for line type as point direction. We want it to start from here, and direction we can go for X component. Let's keep it the support to default. Let's keep the start to 0, and in the end we can say 228.6. Let's preview it. I want it in the reverse direction. Okay, that looks nice. Now after that we will utilize the corner tool. So for that, let's go to insert wireframe. You can select corner from here, and let's select our first element, our second element, and for the values we can go for a radius of 76.2. Let's preview it. So there is the preview for the corner. Now we want to trim the excess of the lines and the sketch, so let's keep both the box selected and then preview it. Okay, yeah, that's neat. That was what I was looking for. And after that we can go for a plane on this point so that we can do a rib for the skeleton of the chair. Alright, so for that let's select a plane, go for plane type as normal to curve, and in the curve you can select the corner, and for the point let's select this point. Okay, yep. After that we'll do the sketching on this plane, so go for sketch, and then we will take a circle pretty much, and from the origin we can draw it like that and give it a dia of 25.4. From there we can exit the workbench, and let's change the workbench to power design. Let's close all this and go for a rib. For the center curve let's select this, let's preview it. That's perfect. So that's half of the skeleton for the chair. Now to do the other half we can just mirror it. So let's select it, go for a mirror. Yeah, it's here, and select this plane. Okay, that was some error, so I will just delete that. Right, so let's do the mirror from here and select this plane. Okay, and we have our skeleton for the chair. Right, so from there we can do the sketch for the seats and the back support. To do that let's create a plane first, so I think we need it over here. Let's do a plane. This time go for offset from plane, and this will be XY at a distance of 393.7. Repeat. Yeah. Alright, so after that let's do the sketch for that. So let's select the plane we just created and go for sketching. Over here let's select a center rectangle, and yeah, somewhere around here let's draw a rectangle. Let's quickly give it some dimensions, so let's say this one, and a distance from here to here. Right, yeah. Also we can do this point and this plane, so we can go for coincidence. That makes our sketch fully defined. Now we just have to edit the values, so 508, 482.6, this is 101.6. Alright, from here we can exit the workbench, and let's see the sketch. That fits perfect. All we have to do now is go for a padding. Let's go for a padding. Can go for a dimension and then length for about 50.8. Review it. That's okay. Looks fine. Alright. Then let's do another sketch on YZ plane. So for the back support, we'll do another sketch. Let's go for YZ plane, go to sketch, and let's go for a corner rectangle or a normal rectangle. So let's do it here like this. Now the one thing that I want to do is delete the vertical constraint, because this should be a little bit like a inclination or parallelogram kind of thing, right? Now from here let's do the constraint. So from here to here some distance. Okay, we have to also delete this horizontal also. Delete, and delete this dimension also, and we will start from the beginning. So between these two okay, from here to here. Right, we need to give it this dimension and a dimension from this edge to this edge. Right. The next thing that we will do is we'll project this edge. So for that, let's go for project 3D silhouette edges. Select this one. Okay. Now you can select this and delete this. We don't want that. And select this, make it construction, and then select this point and this point. Go for a coincidence. Also select this and this. Go for a coincidence. Alright, now the only one thing is here, so we can go for horizontal. Okay, let's delete that. Where did I mess up? So let's say we delete this. Okay, that's fine. Now we will edit the values. So this one is 304.8. This thing is 50.8. Now the only thing that we need is these two should be parallel, and let's check the distance from here to here. It's okay. Yeah, that's it. Or else we can delete the horizontal and then we can define a distance between these two. Delete this also, and yeah, 152.4. Okay, then I will exit the workbench and do the padding again. So let's go for a padding 25.4. Let's preview that. Okay, that's fine, but we have to go for the second limit, and in the second limit we have to go for 482.6. Let's see, preview it. That should be okay. Yeah, so here we are, and that looks neat. The only thing that we can do right now is go for some fillets. So let's select fillets, select 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8, and go for 76.2. Okay, yeah, that's what we wanted. Now we can also fillet the top face of this one. So let's say go for a fillet. Select this and this, and this. Let's say we want it divided by 2. How much it will be? Okay, that was too much, so let's reduce it to 10. Yeah, that looks fine. And then we can give fillets to these two also. Let's pivot. Okay, so yeah, that completes the model. And then we can hide all these planes. Right, go for isometric view, and there we have our chair designed in CATIA V5. I hope you guys uh, understand the logic behind using the corner in this one, because we were dealing with two different sketches and two different planes, so the corner was pretty much valuable for these type of modeling. Alright, if you have any doubts with the design of this one, feel free to comment down below, and if you're watching this, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys, peace out.